In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to find Google section and click on it. Then hit Autofill, Autofill with Google. Select your Google account that you wish to use and tap Continue. If you see this kind of problem, hit Continue here. Select Google and tap on OK. Then finally tap on Google Password Manager. And to add a password, click Add Password over here. Then input all of those informations. At the top any website, or click Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!